What's up, everyone? Today we have Troy's stick shift Camaro behind me. I'm gonna take this off right now. And we had a custom window net made for this one, and we're gonna start offering this as the window net that goes with our 25.5 kit, along with the Hammer Concepts hardware kit. And I'm just gonna show you kind of how that fits in here and functions. So just an overview of everything you're going to get with the kit. These tubes that go in the net, obviously you'll have two of them. You cut them to length. If you want them to stick out more, whatever, I mean, they're probably that long when they come, so you'll have plenty to trim off. But it'll come with the tube inserts, these tabs, and the hardware for each side. And you can see it's super simple. Just let it lay on the tube, basically weld it up. I climbed in the car with a TIG welder and just put some tacks on there while I held it by hand, all by myself. Pass-through tab on the back and a quick release in the front. And this little piece you can rotate. I actually don't even have this tight right now. This is just kind of sitting on there. But to take the net off, super simple. Just take it down. And then as far as putting it back up, that simple. So I'll climb on the car and do it inside the car as well. I'll prop the camera up the roof. You don't get no simpler than that. Down, up. No more seat belt. Quick and easy, no confusion. So if you're looking for them on our website, if you got any questions, you can put it in the comments, send us an email. But if you have a problem installing this, then you probably need to be paying somebody to do your fabricating. So until next time.